Welcome to Mechatronics MCQ Part 5 video. Expand PLC. PLC means Programmable Logic Controller. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. What will the output of AND logic function be when both inputs are on? So for AND logic, this is the truth table. 0, 1 will give 0, 0, 0 will give 0, 1, 0 will give 0, 1, 1 will give 1. Because for AND, both the inputs has to be on to get an output. So here they are given the condition as both the inputs are on, so the output will also be on. Choose the program for OR logic function from the following. The first one corresponds to AND, second one only corresponds to OR, that is parallel connection. Third one corresponds to NOT, and fourth one corresponds to NOR. Which is used to separate the input devices and PLCs. Opto-isolator is used to separate the input devices and PLCs. ORI means, so for this you have to know some of the mnemonics. To start a rung with normally closed switch, we use a mnemonic LDI. To start a rung with normally open switch, we use a mnemonic LD. To connect a normally open switch in parallel, for normally open switch we use OR. For normally closed switch we use ORI. Therefore, option D, connect normally closed switch in parallel, is the correct answer. Which among the following is a self-maintaining circuit? So latch circuit is the self-maintaining circuit. So latch circuit is nothing but it's a normal PLC circuit where I'll be connecting the output again as the input for the circuit in parallel fashion. That is latch circuit. So that is a self-maintaining circuit. There is no output when both the inputs have an input. This logic corresponds to this. So that means when both the inputs are 1, the output should be 0. So that is not true for AND, that is not true for OR. NOT has only one input. So here the correct answer is NAND. NAND is an opposite of AND. So when both the inputs have 1, it will not have any output. How many buses are there in PLC? PLC has 4 buses: data bus, address bus, control bus, and input output system bus. So the option D, 4, is the correct answer. Which is used to activate an output after a preset interval of time. So option D, on delay timers, correct answer. PLC is supplied with a clock with a frequency of typically between, so the clock of PLC has a frequency typically between 1 and 8 megahertz. Choose the output devices that can be connected with the PLC. So limit switch is an input device, temperature sensor is an input device, pressure sensor is an input device, motor starter coils is the output device. So that is the correct answer. The horizontal line in PLC is called as rungs. Option B is the correct answer. The mnemonic used for a normally open switch at the start of a rung. We have already discussed. For a normally open switch at the start of a rung, we use LD, which is used to count the number of occurrences of input signals or can be used to record the number of occurrences of a particular event. So for counting, we use counters in PLC. Output has to be activated when either input 1 or input 2 is activated. The above logic is. So here they have given the output has to be activated when either one of the input is activated, and when both the inputs are activated, it should be 0. Okay. So this logic, sorry, here it should be 1. So the output has to be activated when either input 1 or input 2 is activated. So this logic truth table corresponds to XOR. So option C is the correct answer. So with this video comes to an end. Thank you.